Hi, my name is Aneya Marie and I'm with Clown Antics. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 2-balloon bunny rabbit. You want to test the balloon and how taut it is. This is a little too taut. I like to have it more malleable. Tie it off. I've left about 4 fingers slack. My hands are little. Tie the 2 ends from the buttons of the balloon. This is actually one of the hardest parts. So I'm going to make the body pink. So I'm gonna start off with my pink. I'm gonna start with 2 small pinch twists. And you're gonna go ahead and then pinch each individual one and twist that. So kind of bend this and twist it again to get a nice stable platform for the ears to sit on. You'll see it kind of sits like a sword. About a hand length or 3 fingers for normal sized hands for your ears. So you have your ears sitting on top of the head. Then you're gonna go about 3 to 4 fingers down to create the front of the face. Just squeeze them together. You can do it individually, but it's an extra step. And there. So there. You have the front of your face, the back of your head. Now we're going to go and create the cheeks and the nose. So you're going to do a flower petal, which is basically just bending it the balloon in half to pinch twist. A little bit different than the ears because we section them off. This one you don't necessarily have to section. You're gonna make 2 large flower petals and 1 small flower petal, and you'll see why. Great. So now you can kind of see the face coming in. We're gonna put a little nose in there right at the end, but before we do that, let's finish the body. So again, we have a lot of extra room with our body color. Go ahead and pinch, twist. About 3 fingers down, it's 4 for me. You're gonna go ahead and do that again with your pink. Second one, to create the arms coming around, you have your back body. Go ahead and twist that up. Okay. We're gonna make the feet the same color as the body, so your pink. Flower petal twist. First foot. Second foot. We're finishing off with our little bunny tail that we can finish with the white color. You're going to pinch, squeeze, twist so that you have a small bunny tail. And this is great. This has a lot left over, so you don't have to worry about losing a foot. This is easier to clean up. You can throw it right into your pocket. Have your end. Just go ahead and wrap that right around your feet, keeping that bunny tail right where it needs to be. There goes the foot. There's your bunny tail with your bunny face. And if you want to add a nose, a 3rd balloon, you totally can. If you want to draw the nose too, you can draw the nose. Small amount of air. Go ahead and twist tie that right off. Twist tie once more. Go ahead and pop that right in. And just like your bunny tail, you're going to wrap the excess right around. And if you have scissors, you can cut the excess. If you don't have scissors, turn it into a bracelet so that the kid doesn't lose their balloon. And they can have it and let go of it, and it won't be on the floor. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to visit the links below and share with your friends.